Hello everyone. Okay, this is the dictation activity for Unit 6, Week 3, Day 3. Okay, we will start with sounds. I'm actually going to just do them in the boxes on the top so I have more space for my words. The first sound is ah. What letter says ah? That's right, letter A. Next sound, ah. Which letter says ah? Think of your vowels. That's right. Letter O. Next sound, Z. So remember, there's a letter that says this, but there's also the suffix that we've been learning about. So I'm going to put letter Z, put a comma to separate, and put S. Suffix S. Okay, let's do some current unit words. Walls. Say walls. What's the base word? The word without the S. Wall. Let's tap it. All. Wall. Walls. So first let's think how to spell walls. Okay, so that's W, all, A-L-L. Oh, I can put a box around A-L-L. That's a glued sound. Walls. I need to add my suffix. How do I mark it? I underline my base word wall and I circle my suffix S. Walls. W-A-L-L-S. Okay, next word. Chips. Say it. Chips. What's the base word? The word without the suffix. Chip. Let's tap it. Ch-I-P. Chip. Chips. How do I spell chips? I need C-H. Ooh, that's my digraph. I-P. Now let me add my suffix. And I can mark the base word chip and circle suffix S. So how do I write chips? C-H-I-P-S. Okay, let's do some review words. Tell. Everyone say it. Tell. Elbows up. Let's tap. T-E-L. Tell. How do we spell tell? T-E-L. What can I mark? My bonus L. Tell. T-E-L-L. Next word, dip. Let's say it and tap it. Dip. Elbows up. Let's tap. D-I-P. Dip. So dip is D-I-P. Now we're going to write trick words. Remember, we can't tap trick words. We have to memorize them. The first one is who. Let's write who in the air. W-H-O. Who. Now let's write it on the table in front of us. W-H-O. Now we can write it on our board. Who. W-H-O. Notice how I'm trying to write neatly. I'm starting on the plain line when I need to and going to the grass line when I need to. But with the H, I went to the sky line, down to the grass line. Okay, next trick word, said. Like she said to do your work. Let's write it in the air. S-A-I-D. Let's write it on the table in front of us. S-A-I-D. Now we can write it on our board. Said. S-A-I-D. Okay, if you need to pause the video here, you can, because these are the sounds, the words, and the trick words. But now I'm going to erase my board so we can write the sentence. So remember, the sentence is going to begin with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark, either a period or a question mark or an exclamation mark. Where are your tan socks? Say it. Where are your tan socks? Okay, count it. Where are your tan socks? So we're going to need 5 words. Remember, where is a question word, and I remember that all those question words start with W, H, where, and then this reminds me of the word were, E, R, E. So where, the next word is R. How do we write R? That's tricky. We have to remember it starts with A, R, and then it has that silent E. Where are your? Ooh, remember your, I like to think of it as the word you, Y-O-U, with an R at the end. Your. Where are your tan? Tan we could tap. Let's tap it. T-an, tan. Where are your tan? So remember that's T, and then an, that glued sound. Where are your tan socks? Now socks has suffix S, so what's the base word? Sock. Let's tap it. S-a-k. Sock, socks. So we can write sock first. Remember that's that CK. When there's a K sound at the end of the word, that's the CK digraph. Now let's add our suffix. Where are your tan socks? Now, is this asking a question? Is this telling us something? Yep, it's asking a question. You need a question mark. And if I wanted to mark socks, I could underline the CK digraph, underline sock as the base word, and circle the suffix S. In tan, what could we do? That's right, we can put a box around the glued sound, A-N. Okay, that's the dictation exercise for today. Write neatly. Okay, bye.